한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today we will be turning this hair I make. I will be turning it to wig cap today. So the dome cap I'm using is medium, and the closure I'm using is 20 inches 4x4 closure. So what I will do, I will just use a pin to secure it down, make it arrange. Then I will stitch it around from the side, the two side, and the back side.
Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't.
After I'm done stitching everything, then I will just tie the end, then use scissors to cut the leftover. After cutting the leftover, I will move to back side. The extension I turn into weaver, I will be stitching it to manicure hair now, one by one, like dome cap. As I'm stitching it, I will be combing it, because you know it's not 100% human hair. Is going to be rough. So to make it neat when you are doing it, or when I was doing it, I have to be using brush to brush it so that everything will be smooth for me to stitch for my dome cap.
Because you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every, 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Because you are, you don't have to change. I love, baby, I love you.
Now I'm done stitching the back side. I will move to the front side. I will stitch it close to the closure so that it will be lapped together. They will be close together. There will not be a space for between closure and the hair. So after stitching it like that, I will use hot comb to comb it. Using hot comb to comb it is not like real hot comb, because remember, it's not 100% human hair. Is going to melt when you use very hot comb. It's just like if you have your straightener, you put it in the medium so that it will not melt it. If it's too hot, it's going to melt it, because it's not 100% human hair. We have to try something to see how it will come out. It's not going to be last. It's depend the way you use it. That's why it will last. So if it's not going to last, you can take it out. The closure is still going to be there. You just have to take the extension out and buy real human hair and sew it to the closure. It's very easy to take the back side down and leave the closure, then stitch it again. Trying it is not bad to try something else. It's not because we don't have the money to afford the 100% human hair like 30 inches or 28 inches, but we still have to try something for people out there that don't have money to afford that kind of inches. When you do this one, how many extensions I use 2 extensions to achieve this full hair. You can do it and use it as a wig cap. You want to go anywhere, you can just go. It's very easy. If I don't tell somebody, or if I don't do this video, I know I use it to take a picture and post it on my Instagram. If you are not following me on my Instagram, follow me, Lizzylehner. You will see I post it. A lot of people will think is 100% human hair. It's not really 100% human hair, except the closure. So we have to try some.
Baby, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite.
Make it really tight. The cap is tight. For something to secure it for the back side, I will be adding extra elastic band to make it really tight. Then after adding those elastic, then I will install it on my hair.
Smiling face, cause baby I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you
original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake heels.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So now I will be installing it on my hair. Then what I will do, I will just cut the excess lace that is in the front side. As you can see, it's so really cute and it really look like 100% human hair, because they say that it's cloth that is covering injury. Because you can't just see somebody, you said, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this, because the person do that. You don't know what kind of hair she is wearing. So I imagine I used 2 extensions to achieve this wig. That is not up to $10. So if you want to see, when you see me like this now, you say, oh, he put on big hair, human hair 30 inches, I want to go and buy. It's like you are dipping your hand where your hand is not long enough. So you just have to do like our people use it to make parable, so code according to your size. So I will just add I don't know what they call it, to make it sleep, to make the excess hair to sleep. Then I will use hot comb to match it down so that it will relax and be calm and look good. Then add some concealer from the front side. This is the final look, guys. What do you think? What do you think? If I don't really tell you this is extension are you going to get, leave a comment down below, guys. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, I can do more and show you, like, do makeup and put it on my body so that you can see how it look like. I'm so excited, guys. I can come with this. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up for me, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all.